3, 2, 1.
Hi and welcome to the SparkFun Solder Off. The way this all came together was actually Mary and I, we both used to be technicians, and a lot of the engineers here have done a lot of handwork too. But it started off with a bunch of trash talking about, oh, I could do this, I could do that, and we decided we ought to do this sometime.
Well, then Drew Fustini's always walking around with all of his amazing hardware.
And then Drew, you guys got to do this, and so he keeps handing us kits and handing us kits. I'm like, fine, dude, we'll do it. So, besides myself, Mary, obviously, we have Nick Poole, and Sean Spooky Himmel, with any of those, and we're gonna do this. So the way we've got this set up right now, we've got our parts. Well, we don't have them off the cards. Everything's on the cards still. We have boards in vices. We have our irons. We have all of our hand tools. You're allowed a loopy. You're allowed a meter, tweezers, wick, solder, etc., etc. We have agreed to allow a single entity, Pete Lewis, who's sitting right over there, and he's going to judge us based on time, functionality, and cleanliness of work. So it should be a hoot. And yeah, he's going to make the final call.
All five. What? 0201 by hand.
Yes,
Nice.
Sean.
Oh, shoot. An extra 20 minutes.
Yeah.
More than that. Oh, but it's